Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So if you just happen to take a look at some of my shopping haul videos, and I really do have a good time making them and I hope you enjoyed watching them, but on one of the hauls I happened to pick up a couple of items that I'm going to use for today's video. And you know what, the holidays are here, and if you're looking for an easy appetizer to make for holiday dinners, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and easy puff pastry bundle. And if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Your support is wonderful and it means everything to me. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I have some fresh asparagus and I really love asparagus. So I'm just going to take it over to the sink real quick and just give it a quick rinse. And then I'm going to take a knife and just cut off the bottoms because the bottoms is really tough and that's something that you definitely do not want to eat. So now I'm just going to add some simple ingredients. I'm going to drizzle it with some olive oil and just give it a quick toss, just making sure that all the asparagus is coated really well. And now I'm going to season it with some sea salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. Now give your asparagus another quick toss and just set it to the side. Now I'm going to begin prepping and shredding the gruyere cheese, and this is a really delicious cheese. It's from Switzerland and it's a bit costly, so when you make this recipe, definitely treat yourself or make it on special occasions. Okay, so I'm done shredding my cheese, so I'm just going to set this to the side and get started on the puff pastry. And puff pastry is so flaky and delicious, you can make a lot of fun recipes using this pastry dough. So first, as you can see, I just put some flour on the chopping board just so it doesn't stick, and I'm just going to roll it out with my rolling pin just to kind of thin it out just a little bit. And I'm going to use my pizza cutter, but if you have a knife, go ahead and use that as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut out 6 squares. So I've already lined up a sheet pan with some parchment paper, and I'm just going to add the squares to the pan. And now I'm going to add 1 slice of prosciutto to each square. And it's an Italian ham and is really delicious, and you can probably find it in most deli sections in any grocery store. And then you want to take around 3 or 4 asparagus spears and just add that on top of the prosciutto. And then lastly, just add some shredded gruyere cheese on top. And then you want to take 2 corners of the pastry dough and just wrap everything up, forming a bundle. So I'm scrambling 1 egg with just a little bit of water, creating an egg wash, and I'm going to brush each bundle. The egg wash is going to create a beautiful golden brown crust on top as it bakes. And then lastly, you just want to season it with some sea salt, black pepper, and some garlic powder on top. My oven is already preheated at 425 degrees, and I'm going to bake it off between 10 and 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes of baking in the oven, the bundles are done, and look how beautiful and golden brown these bundles look, you guys. A very fancy and delicious appetizer that you can treat you and your family and friends to this holiday season or anytime during the year, but just make sure to eat them while they're nice and warm. But we are done here, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture, I would love to see it, and if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.